Irish workers training Meta's AI have been asked to think like paedophiles or a suicidal person for entire shifts at work, all for an average salary of just under €30,000. You've probably used this AI tool. It's the same one that powers the AI in Facebook Messenger and in WhatsApp. Meta has outsourced the training to an Irish company called Covalen, which is tasked with making sure the AI doesn't respond to questions on dangerous topics. To do that, workers have had to pretend to be paedophiles, seeking information on child sex abuse, and as suicidal people, seeking information on self-harm. One employee I spoke to in my investigation told me that they spent whole days at work submitting around 150 prompts, asking an AI how to kill and hurt themselves. For that person, the experience led to self-harm in real life. Other employees, content moderators, have to watch real footage of graphic violence and abuse each day. We're talking hundreds of pieces of content. In the meantime, Covalen has cut some of the benefits workers get, including the amount of time they get for wellness breaks and access to free meals. Employees say that Covalen has put the responsibility for some of these cuts on Meta, but Meta hasn't responded on this. Meta has told The Journal investigates that it requires certain standards to be put in place for content moderators, including training and on-site supports. Workers are now unionising to try and get better conditions for what they say is underpaid and increasingly difficult work. Read the full investigation on TheJournal.ie.